Spotting a single cockroach is upsetting enough, but if you're new to DIY pest control, eliminating an entire infestation could eat up more time and money than it should. To solve any pest problem, you first need to know what you're dealing with. In this video, we'll go over how to identify common roaches and how to treat and prevent infestations. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Indoor roach infestations pose a health risk and usually indicate sanitation problems. Before you take action, however, let's make sure you're actually dealing with cockroaches that infest indoor spaces. The most common cockroach that infests and harbors indoors is the German cockroach. These roaches grow up to half an inch in length. When fully developed, these roaches are primarily light brown in color, and they have dark, parallel markings that run down the pronotum, the part of the thorax behind the insect's head. German cockroaches do have wings, but they're not strong flyers. They are fast at crawling, making them hard to stomp sometimes. Be aware that German cockroaches look strikingly similar to another roach species, the Asian cockroach. Asian cockroaches are about the same size as German roaches, with similar parallel markings on the pronotum. The visual difference lies in their coloration. Asian cockroaches are a lighter, more tan shade of brown. Another major difference is that Asian cockroaches are strong flyers. They have longer and more narrow wings, allowing them to fly up to 120 feet at a time. So if you see a small roach fly longer distances, it's not a German roach, it's an Asian roach. Asian roaches are not usually a cause for concern. They harbor outdoors in grassy areas, compost, and debris. If you spot one indoors, it probably just wandered in while a door or window was open. German cockroaches, on the other hand, are something to worry about. These roaches are known to infest indoor spaces near food and water sources, spreading filth and bacteria. If you spot just one German roach inside, know there are probably many more hiding in your home. To eliminate a German cockroach infestation, you'll need products like Apex Cockroach Bait Gel, Defense Dust, and Novacide, in addition to time and patience. First, sanitize your home. You can have the best products available, but they will be rendered useless if you don't clean first. German cockroaches need food, water, and shelter. Cleaning up in your home removes all three and ensures that any infestation will not be able to sustain itself. Take out the trash regularly, vacuum, sweep, and wipe surfaces clean to remove grease, crumbs, and oil, and wipe sinks dry to remove any water. Do not clean with bleach or harsh cleaners. Since you will be applying bait products, these cleaning products will repel and discourage roaches from actually eating any bait. Seal off any holes, cracks, and crevices with caulk or copper mesh to deny any harborages. After sanitizing your home, apply Apex Cockroach Bait Gel. Apex is an imidacloprid bait product used to eliminate cockroaches in commercial, industrial, and residential areas. This bait is designed to kill roaches slowly. Once a cockroach consumes the bait, it will return to its nest before dying. The poison will spread within the colony, systemically eliminating entire infestations. With the included applicator tip, apply small beads of bait to cracks and crevices where roach activity has been observed. Possible placements include under baseboards, under sinks, countertops, cabinets, and where pipes penetrate the wall. To control German cockroaches, you'll need to apply 3 drops per square yard. Leave your bait placements and check back every 1 to 2 weeks to reapply as needed. You should expect to see a reduction in roach activity within 5 days. After setting bait, treat tighter spaces indoors with Defense Dust. Defense Dust is a dry, moisture-resistant insecticidal dust made with deltamethrin. We recommend you apply this product with a handheld dust applicator. Apply Defense Dust into voids, underneath appliances, and even behind electrical plating. This will create a barrier that will kill roaches that ingest or make contact with the dust. Finally, treat your home with Novacide. Novacide is a long-lasting residual product that combines insecticidal ingredients with insect growth regulators. This product not only kills fully developed roaches, it also prevents juvenile roaches from reaching reproductive maturity. Apply Novacide to all floor surfaces. Shake the can, hold the can upside down at arm's length, and spray in a sweeping motion while slowly moving backward to avoid spraying your clothes. Allow Novacide several hours to dry completely before allowing people and pets back into the area. This product will affect roaches that make direct contact with the spray or with treated areas after they've dried. Adult roaches will slowly become paralyzed, while juvenile roaches will be unable to develop into further stages of their life cycles. If you're dealing with a heavy infestation, we recommend you reapply Novacide every 2 weeks until activity has been depleted. While cockroaches harboring outdoors is the most natural occurrence, these pests are still able to spread bacteria and disease. The occasional sighting outdoors may not initially shock you, but large infestations will see enough activity to warrant treatment. In bad enough infestations close to home, you may also see these roaches invading indoors more often. The most common species to inhabit outdoors and invade homes is the American cockroach. American cockroaches grow up to 2 inches in length. When fully developed, they are dark brown in color. The edges of their wings appear more translucent, and their pronotums feature dark spots surrounded by a band of light brown to yellow. Another species of roach that inhabits outdoors is the smoky brown cockroach. These cockroaches are common throughout the southeastern United States. They're large, but not as large as American roaches, growing up to 1.5 inches in length. When fully developed, they are dark brown to black in color with solid colored pronotums. Next, you have oriental cockroaches. Female roaches grow up to 1.25 inches in length, while males grow up to 1 inch in length. When fully developed, oriental roaches are near black in color with solid colored pronotums. Male roaches have wings, but they're too short for flight, and female roaches don't even have wings. Finally, let's go over wood roaches. Wood roaches are actually small compared to other outdoor inhabiting roaches, growing up to 3/4 of an inch in length. They range in color from a tannish sort of green to a more neutral brown. As they reach maturity, wood roaches develop a light-colored band along the edges of their bodies. Male roaches have long wings and are capable of flight, while female roaches have shorter, non-functional wings. To treat infestations of outdoor inhabiting cockroaches, you'll apply products like Ficam insect bait and Supreme IT. First, however, just like with indoor cockroaches, you'll need to clean in and around your home. To reiterate, even if you have the best products, they will be rendered useless as long as roaches have easy access to food, water, and shelter. Clean indoors to prevent indoor invasions, and clean up outside as well. Rake away leaves and remove plant debris, trim away overgrown shrubbery and branches, and mow your lawn regularly to the grass's preferred mowing height. These tasks, when done properly, will remove food and shelter and expose your lawn to more sunlight, encouraging water evaporation. After cleaning in and around your home, you'll need to apply a perimeter application with Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a Bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate. Mix and apply this product with a handheld pump sprayer. For perimeter applications, mix the product at the labeled rate of 0.33 to 1 whole fluid ounce of product with 1 gallon of water to apply over a treatment area of up to 1,000 square feet. When your solution is ready, spray any entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that pests can use to invade. Next, spray your structure's outer perimeter by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Do not let any people or pets around the treated areas until the product dries completely. Labeled pests that come in contact with the product or its residual will have their nervous systems impacted and will die in several hours. One application of Supreme IT will protect treated areas for up to 90 days, so we recommend you make applications once every 3 months to maintain protection year-round. Finally, lay out an insecticide bait like Ficam. Ficam is a granular insecticide that is ready to use and requires no mixing. Open and hold the container about 4 to 5 inches above the ground and shake the product out in 2 to 4 foot bands around your treatment perimeter. Keep in mind that this product should be applied about 10 feet away from your Supreme IT application, as Supreme IT has repelling properties. We also recommend you apply this product around trees, flower beds, and mulch, and near wood piles. Apply this product at the labeled rate of 2 to 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area, or more simply, 3.2 to 6 ounces per 100 square feet. Cockroaches that eat the bait will slowly become paralyzed and die within several hours. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop cockroaches from infesting in or around your home, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.